Good day, everyone. I am Soraya Khalid, the reporter for Chapter 10, Traps for Plumbing Fixtures. So, we will talk about the traps for plumbing fixtures. So, ang plumbing fixture is an essential device which can be connected to an existing plumbing system to deliver and drain away water, but which is also configured to enable particular use. So the basic function of the drop-in drainage system is to prevent those objectionable gases from entering the plumbing system. Ang principles na ito is to form a mechanical barrier against the passage of sewer air. Okay, so traps. A fixture trap is a device scientifically designed to prevent the backflow of gases into the outlet of the fixture. So this trap is used on plumbing fixtures. Ang one of the main function ng fixture trap is to prevent the backflow of gases from sewer or drainage system into the living or working space. So, ang mga common gases na nagpo-produce ng sewage system is the hydrogen sulfate, methane, or carbon dioxide. And even a small amount of carbon monoxide is considered itong dangerous to human health. Next is drop seal. Drop seal is the column of water that is retained between the overflow and dip of the drop, also known as water seal. Ang drop seal is commonly known as a water seal. So, itong water seal na ito is nag-act siya as a barrier against the passage of gases from the drainage system or sewer line. Since ang gases like methane and hydrogen sulfate can be harmful and unpleasant, so it is important to periodically check and maintain trap seal para ma-ensure natin na they are functioning properly. Kasi if ang water seal is nag-evaporates or if there are leaks in the trap, it can compromise the effectiveness of the water seal and makakapasok yung mga gases. Okay, so the next one, there are two permissible types of traps. The first one is the pit traps or gooseneck, and the other one is dump trap. The pit traps or gooseneck. Okay, so ang pit traps or gooseneck is attributed to its form that is in some manners as the neck of the goose. Pit traps is used to provide a mechanical barrier against passage of noxious air from the septic tank or main sewer line. Okay, so the pit traps, also referred to as an gooseneck trap, is named for its shape resembling the neck of the goose. So this plumbing device is crucial in preventing the the backflow of harmful gases from septic tank or main sewer line into the plumbing system and living areas. Also, ang P-trap is the most common and practical shape available in various sizes from 32 mm to 50 mm diameter. So these are common sizes for fixtures that are suspended from walls or supported on pedestal, such as lavatories, urinals, sinks, drinking fountain, and the last one is the shower bath with less amount of water's discharge. Water-sealed peat drop is classified into two. Number one is the common seal. Number two is the deep seal. Ang common seal peat drop is meron itong 5 centimeters deep water seal between the overflow and the deep na nag-o-offer ng resistance against abnormal conditions only to the amount of pressure a 5 centimeters water will develop. Ang deep seal pit trap naman is meron itong 7.5 to 10 centimeters column of liquid content between the overflow and the deep. Itong trap na ito is may be used under normal condition but it is purposely designed for abnormal situations such as extreme heat condition in the area, increase and decrease of atmospheric condition, and circumstances where total ventilation cannot be obtained. And one of the advantage of the deep seal over the common seal is its greater resealing quality. Ang reseal is a term used to the scientific principle that water at the rest tend to seek a level and maintain it. Okay, so another type of permissible troughs is there are six types. Number one is stand trough. Number two is brass trough. Number three is high hub trough. Number four is low hub trough. Number five is extra heavy type. And the last one is sink or lavatory type. Ang stand trap is designed siya for floor drains or fixtures directly connected to the floor. It typically has a vertical orientation and is used in areas like basement or utility rooms with floor drains. Ang brass trap naman is gawa siya sa durable brass materials resistant to corrosion. So they are reliable and commonly used where longevity and reliability are essential, such as commercial settings. Ang high hub trap naman has a higher inlet or outlet connection compared to standard traps, or accommodating higher flow rates or specific plumbing layout requiring a higher trap placement. Ang low hub trap naman is kabaliktaran naman ng high hub trap. Ito siya is has a lower inlet or outlet connection. Suitable rin siya for space with limited vertical clearance or specific plumbing configurations. Ang extra heavy traps naman is designed siya with heavier construction compared to standard traps. And the last one is the sink or lavatory types is especially designed siya for a sink and lavatories. Objectionable traps that are found defective. So there are four objectionable traps that are found defective. Number one is full size S and the 3/4 S drops. Number two is the bag drops. Number three is mechanically sealed drops. And number four, light metal partition traps. Okay, so ang full size S and the 3/4 S drops is this drops is also known as S drops. Considered siya na objectionable and defective because they do not maintain a proper water seal consistently. Ang bag traps naman is these traps are unreliable and prone to leaks or malfunctions, leading to the drainage issues and potential health hazards. Ang mechanically sealed traps naman is these traps are considered objectionable because they are less reliable than water-sealed traps and can fail to block sewer gases effectively. Ang light metal partition traps naman is these traps are made of light metal material and are prone to corrosion and deterioration over time. So due to their construction and material quality, they may develop leaks or lose their effectiveness in preventing gas escape. The National Plumbing Code of P-Trop installation provides that all troughs should be self-cleaning. Number two is P-Trop should be installed as near the fixture as practical. Short vertical leg eliminate high velocity of water's discharge which creates siphonage. Number three is the P-Trop should be installed within 60 centimeter of the fixture and accessible for cleaning through the bottom opening closed by a plug. Number four is all troughs are subject to stoppage. Hints should be provided with clean out or be designed that could be disassembled with little. Number five is long run or horizontal pipe called running trough could be used only near the drain of the floor area or yard and not provide with the hand hole cleanout. Number six is overflow pipe from fixture should be connected into the inlet side of the trough. Number seven is that deep portion of the trough should be as short as possible to avoid retarded flow of water. Likewise, the horizontal leg connection to the waste pipe must be short for effective ventilation. Number 8 is each fixture trap should have its own trap. The following are exemption to the rule: two laundry trays and a kitchen sink connected to a single trap. Not more than three laundry trays using one trap, and three lavatories on a single trap. Okay, so the next one is drum trap. Drum traps are a type of plumbing traps that were commonly used in residential plumbing systems before the advent of modern plastic traps. A drum trap is a cylindrical shaped trap that holds a pool of water to create a seal, preventing sewer gases and odors from entering the living space through the drain. So, itong drum trap is kinaklasify din siya as a water seal device. The name was derived from its size being large in diameter. Ang drum trap is intended for fixtures that are set on the floor like bathtub, foot and seats, bath, and other similarities fixtures. And also, ang drum trap is used on fixtures that discharges substantial amount of water. It is effective where trap seal loss is more prevalent due to the velocity of the flow in short intervals. So, meron siyang two types of drum traps, 100 mm by 125 mm and 100 mm by 200 mm. So, itong nasa taas is 100 mm by 125 mm, and then itong sa baba naman is 100 mm by 200 mm. Okay, so the next one is advantages and disadvantages of drum traps. Ang advantages ng drum trap is there are two. Number one is greater amount of water may pass through it in a shorter interval without danger of trap seal loss. Number two naman is it has a higher sealing quality than the P-trap. And the disadvantages of drum traps naman is there are four disadvantages. Number one is it is large and cumbersome. It is unsightly if the installation is exposed. Number three is the clean out mechanism is above the water seal. And the last one is to clean the drum trap, need lubricant and fiber washer in the joint between the cob and the body of the trap. Next is size for fixture trap. According to National Plumbing Code, has regulated the minimum diameter of traps and drains to be installed. Likewise, the size of pipe drains depends upon the class of user the installation will serve, and the minimum size of trap and west branch for a specified fixture shall confirm to be values given in the table. Okay, so makikita natin dito sa table, ang kind of fixture natin is bathtub, and ang trap and branches size natin is 38 and 1 1/2. And the next one is bath shower stall. Ang trap and branches size natin is 50 and 2 and so on. Classifications of fixtures to be installed. There are three classifications fixtures to be installed: Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3. For Class 1 is for private use lang siya. Apply siya to fixtures in residences, apartment, and private bathroom of hotels. Sa Class 2 naman is for semi-public use. Apply to fixtures in office buildings, factories, and dormitories. Sa Class 3 naman is for public use such as schools, gymnasium, hotels, railroad, and bus terminals, and public CRs. So, makikita nyo dito sa table ang mga sizes ng fixture trap from class 1 to class 3. So, ang fixtures and class of installation ng class 1 is one lavatory or wash machine. Then, ang minimum trap niya is 32. And then, ang minimum drain size niya is 32 din. And then, ang fixture trap niya is 1. And so on. So, that's all for the chapter 10. Thank you for listening, guys.